We'll wait for 5 minutes for some people to come back in. Hello, good morning, children. Going to wait for some minutes for some of the children to come in.
Hello everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Hunting we will go.
Put a cake.
We will go. We'll catch a cat and put him in a hat, and then we'll let him go. Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. We'll catch a goat and put him in a boat, and then we'll let him go. Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. We'll catch a mouse and put him in a house, and then we'll let him go. Hunting we will go. Hunting we will go. We'll just pretend, and in the end, we'll always let them go. I like to eat apples and bananas. 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 I like to oat apples and bananas. I like to oat apples and bananas. I like to oot apples and bananas. I like to oot apples and bananas.
DreamEnglish.com.
Okay, we're just going to start right away. Hello, Anitra. How are you? Good morning. Today we're going to be reading a story, and the title of the story we'll be reading is Duck in the Truck by Ms Albert. The author of this book is Ms Albert. The person who wrote the book is called an author. The author of this book is Ms Albert. Duck in the Truck by Ms Albert. Now let's look at this cover. What do you think the book is all about? What can you tell me? What do you think this book is going to be about? Do you know?
No, ma'am.
You don't. Can you think what's on the picture? What's on the cover? What can you see? We can see a duck riding a truck. Okay, now we're going to look at some of the words we'll find in this story. You can say the words after me. Duck, truck, These words rhyme. They've got the same ending, duck and truck. Track, struck, mark, stuck, bush, push, sheep, jeep, goat, boat, duck. Now, before we continue the story, let's listen to a song.
Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only four little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only three little ducks came back. 1, 2, 3. Three little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only two little ducks came back. 1, 2. Two little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. 1. One little duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but none of the five little ducks came back. Sad Mother Duck went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back. Five little ducks went out one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said quack, 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 and all of the five little ducks came back.
Okay, thank you for listening to the song with me. Now we're going to read our story, Duck in the Truck. This is the duck driving home in a truck. Vroom, 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 vroom. I guess I went to buy some groceries. I can see some fruits and vegetables in a car. This is the truck, which is taking him back. This is the rock, struck by the truck. And this is the muck, where the duck becomes stuck. The rock has struck the duck's truck. And now duck is stuck. He can't come out of the muck. We're going to look at some words that rhyme here. Can you say rock? Rock rhymes with struck and it rhymes with truck and muck and stuck. rock, struck, truck, muck, stuck. Now the duck is stuck. Let's find out what happens next. These are the feet which choke the duck down into the muck, oh yucky and brown. This is the frog. This is the frog. Where's the frog? Who hides from the bush and croaks. Croak, croak. I'll help you give it a push. A frog is going to help a duck. Let's look at some words that rhyme from this page. Down rhymes with brown. Can you say down and brown? Bush rhymes with push. Bush rhymes with push. Let's look at some of the words that rhyme in this story. Duck rhymes with muck. See, we have words that are rhyming. Duck, muck, down, brown, bush, push. This is the frog that says to the duck, I'll help give it a push. This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck still stuck. I wonder what's going to happen next. The duck and a frog are pushing the truck. They're trying to get this truck out of the muck, but the truck is still stuck. Let's find out some words that rhyme on this page. Duck, truck, stuck. Can you say these words after me? Duck, truck, stuck. Good job. Let's continue reading the story. This is a sheep driving on in a jeep. Get out of the way, he yells. Beep, 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 beep. Get out of the way, he yells with a beep. This is the quack of an angry duck. Quack! I can't, he snaps. My truck is stuck. See, here comes the jeep, the sheep driving along in his jeep, and it yells, get out of the way. But the duck replies, my truck is stuck. Let's look at some words that rhyme on this page. Can you tell me these words? Okay, I'm going to give you 10 seconds to find out the words that rhyme on this page by yourself.
Sheep and jeep.
Good job.
Sheep and jeep.
Sheep and jeep. Well done. Good job. You have sheep rhymes with jeep. And it rhymes with beep. Sheep and jeep and beep all rhyme. Great job. Way to go. Let's look for another word that rhymes. What word do you think rhymes with duck? Let's think.
Duck, stuck, truck.
Way to go. Duck rhymes with stuck and rhymes with truck. Excellent job. Way to go. This is a sheep driving in a jeep. Get out of the way, he yells with a beep. Beep, beep. Now this is the quack of an angry duck. I can't, he snaps. My truck is stuck. Let's see what's going to happen. What do you think will happen next? I'm thinking, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think the sheep will help to push? Let's find out what's going to happen next. This is the quiet. Shh. I'm thinking, hi, Safa. This is the quiet. As to think what to do. Guys, croaks frog. Sheep can push too. Sheep can push too. Now, sheep is gonna push too. Ah, okay. So there goes sheep going into the mud. This is the slop and the squelch and the suck as the sheep slowly steps through the muck. Yuck. Now the sheep's got to help them. Let's see. I think I can find one word that rhymes here. Can you find a word that rhymes with suck?
Suck muck.
Excellent. Thumbs up to you. Suck rhymes with muck. This is the slop and the squelch and suck as the sheep slowly steps through the muck. This is the push of a frog, a sheep, and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. Uh-oh. This is the truck, still stuck. Let's find out. Can you look for the word that rhymes with duck? What word rhymes with duck?
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Excuse me.
yes, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
ma'am, will you please send this link in the chat because our students, they want to connect, but they are not connecting with through the website. Yeah?
Okay, I will send the link in the chat right now, and I will read the story again. There you have it. Sent it to you.
Okay, okay, I'll just take it out.
Yeah, let's look for the word that rhymes with duck. What word rhymes with dog? What word rhymes with dog? What word rhymes with duck?
Chuck and stuck.
Excellent. Duck, truck, and stuck. Duck rhymes with truck and rhymes with stuck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog, and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the happy sleepy goat. Relaxing on his motorboat. This is the ear that hears the shout. My truck is stuck in the mud and it won't come out. Who is saying this? Who is yelling? Why? The duck is yelling he needs some help. And the goat is sleeping. And now he hears the shout. My truck's in the muck and it won't come out. Now, let's hunt for words that rhyme here. Are you ready to hunt with me? Let's look for the word that rhymes with goat. What word rhymes with goat?
And boat. Motorboat.
Goat and boat. Goat and boat. Goat, boat. Let's look for another word. Let's look for the word that rhymes. Yeah, this is a bit tricky.
Here.
Excellent, Asha. Yeah, and here's.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's look for a word that rhymes with shout. Shout, shout, shout.
Out.
Out. Beautiful work, guys. I'm so amazed at your work. You're doing excellently well. And let's look for the words that rhymes with truck.
Muck.
Buck. Well done.
Muck.
Going to go, guys. Roll it up for yourselves. Roll it up and let it go. Children, keep it up. You're doing great. Goat rhymes with boat. Ear rhymes with hair. Shout rhymes with out. And truck rhymes with muck. Way to go, guys. This is the rope. And here's the goat's plan. To tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear once again. And this is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. This is the knot suddenly slipping. Oh no! This is the truck with the engine on fast. Vroom, 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 vroom. Back on the track, unstuck at last. Ooh. Duck has his truck unstuck at last. Great job, Duck. This is the duck driving home in the truck, leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat stuck in the muck. The end. I think the dog forgot to say something. What did he forget to say?
Muck.
Yeah, the dog
Muck. Muck stuck.
stuck. Great job. You're looking for the rhyming words. That's great. Stuck and muck rhymes. The dog forgot to say thank you. Children, when someone helps you to do something, you shouldn't forget to say thank you. The dog forgot to say thank you to the sheep, the goat, and the frog. Should we read the story again? Should we go over the story one more time? From the beginning? For those who missed the story, okay, let's go through it. And this time, we're going to read really fast. But if you're looking at the story and you see some words, these are the words that rhyme. So we're going to read the story one last time. This is the duck driving home in a truck. This is the track, which is taking him back. This is the rock struck by the truck, and this is the muck where the truck becomes stuck. These are the feet which jump the duck down into the muck, all yucky and brown. This is the frog who spies from the bush and croaks. I'll help you, croak, croak. I'll help you. And crooks, I'll help you give it a push. This is a very nice frog trying to give the duck a help. This is the push of a frog and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the sheep driving home in a jeep. Beep, 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 beep. Get out of the way, he yells. This is the quack of Adenike Duck. I can't, he snaps. My truck is stuck. This is the quiet as they think what to do. Got it, croaks Frog. Sheep can push too. This is the slop and the squelch and the suck as the sheep steps slowly into the muck. This is the push of a sheep, a frog, and a duck. And this is the truck, still stuck. This is the happy, sleepy goat, relaxing in his motorboat. And this is the ear that hears the shout, my truck is stuck in the mud and it wouldn't come out. This is the rope, and here's the goat's plan. To tie a knot as tight as they can. This is the push at the rear, once again. And this is the pull as the boat takes the strain. These are the wheels finally gripping. And this is the nut suddenly slipping. And oops, oopsie, something has happened. This is the truck with the engine on fast. Vroom, 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 vroom. Back on the track, unstuck at last. Yippee! This is the duck driving home in his truck. Oopsie, we forgot to look for the words that rhyme here. What word rhymes with duck? Yes, Abisha. Truck. Thank you. Duck rhymes with truck. Now, this is the duck driving home in his truck. Boom, boom, boom. Leaving the frog, the sheep, and the goat. Oopsie. Leaves them stuck in the muck. Oopsie. Oopsie. Forgetting to say thank you. But that's not bad. The frog, the sheep, and the goat were happy helpers. The end. Clap for yourselves. You've all listened to my story wonderfully. Now let's do a quick review. I'm going to read out some words to you. Remember, we're looking at words that rhyme. Let's go over some of the words that rhyme again in this story, so you can help me with the rhyming words. Remember, words that rhyme have the same sounds in their ending. Rock, struck, truck. Muck, stuck. Duck, muck. Down, brown. Bush and push. Duck rhymes with truck. Now you're going to help me. Let's look at one more example. Sheep rhymes with jeep and rhymes with beep. Now you're going to help me. It's your turn. You're going to help me find out which word doesn't rhyme. Now look at these words. There is one word here that doesn't belong to the group. Do you think you can help me?
Cat.
Yes. Fantastic. Cat doesn't belong to this group. Cat doesn't belong to this group. We have jug, rhymes with rug, and rhymes with slug. Cat doesn't belong to the group. Let's look at another word. We have cat, rat, dog, and mat. Which one doesn't belong to the group?
Dog.
Dog. Good job, guys. Don't forget, you can unmute yourself and tell me. Okay, let's go to the next one. Lamb, jam, spoon. Which one doesn't rhyme here?
Spoon.
Spoon doesn't rhyme. Lamb and jam rhymes with themselves. Slug, hen, pen, and ten. Which one doesn't rhyme here?
Slug.
Slug, slug, slug. Pen, darling, listen. Pen, pen, ten. They all have the same ending sounds. So slug doesn't go in this group. Now, this is your activity at home. You can choose which one you would like to do. Would you like to draw or make a duck or a truck? And good. So before we go and when you get home,
Duck.
try to make or draw one thing that would show you what you've done and show it to your friends. Thank you so much for joining me. I really enjoyed the lesson with all of you together. Thank you so much. It was wonderful having you here. And before we go, let's say hello to all our friends that are here. Look at your friends and say hello, wave to them, and we could take a picture together. Say hello to your friends. Hello, friends. Thank you for joining us. Say hello.
Hello, friends. Hello.
Hello, friends. Thank you for joining me. Hi. Thank you for joining us to read The Duck in a Truck. Thank you, Miss Toyi. Thank you to everyone. Thank you for joining us.
This is good class.
Oh, thank you so
Fun class
much.
also.
Thank you. Bye-bye, friends. Bye, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining me. Bye.
Bye.